So what is your name?
Alexander.
And what are you known as? The
Alexander Train Expert.
Okay. What do you got here, Alexander?
My whole entire collection of Thomas Friends merchandise.
Wow. Let's take a look. How many trains are here?
146.
Yeah, 146 I think it was.
And now I'm going to go introduce you to all my engines.
Okay.
We'll start with the search and rescue.
Okay.
Butch. Fucking ladder. A water tanker. Flynn. Rocky.
Slow down. Tell us.
Bell.
Slow down a little bit.
Harold. Now onto our road vehicles.
What kind of vehicles?
Road.
Road vehicle.
Terrence. Patrick. George. Birdie. Thumper.
What does Thumper do?
He buses rocks.
Oh, cool.
Max. Monty. Kelly. Caroline. Trevor. Skiff. Boat pirate ship on wheels. Now on to these ships.
Okay.
Mike. This is Raul. Timothy. Steven. Paxton. Diesel. Actually, Angry Diesel. Edward. Bullback Thomas. Now onto our engines. These are my narrow gauge engines.
Which ones?
Narrow gauge. These ones.
What does narrow gauge mean? Pardon?
Narrow gauge engines.
What does narrow gauge mean? So somebody who doesn't know.
It's like a smaller version of train tracks. Those are typed of one on. Duke. Renee's. Rusty. Duncan. Scarloey. Colby. And not only do you know he has two faces.
Let's see.
This one. This is it.
No, we don't see him. We didn't get him in camera. Oh, facing the back. Yep. And
Front. Say what? Your handle. Shows Freddy.
so hold on. Slow down.
Spencer.
Yeah.
Harvey. Thomas. James. With Duck. Neil. Rickety. Heinz Gossman. Talking Emily.
Oh, she's got a big, nice wheel in the back, in the middle.
Called us Toby. Called us Percy. Called James. And
Troublesome truck.
actually, this is Toad. This is wait here now.
Yep.
This is come on.
Hero.
Hero. Gator.
Who? What was the other one called?
Gator.
Gator.
Percy. Scraps. Percy again. Dirty, Muddy Thomas. Thomas again. Steam 109. Marion. Actually, it's my very first Thomas train.
Which one is?
Gordon.
Wait, we can't get it. We missed it here.
Gordon. He's my very first Thomas train.
Where'd you get it?
For my grandpa.
Oh, and where were you when you got it?
I'm home, I think.
Okay.
Clarebro. Annie. Thomas. Bart. Then Paxton. Ryan. Harvey. And Stafford.
Oh, is he the battery operated one?
Yes. Actually, it doesn't take batteries, this one,
But he's a battery train.
Fiery Flynn.
What does Farley Flynn do?
He's a fire train.
Okay.
Henry. Oh, and just in case you're wondering why Henry had that giant block on his tender, when he first got him, he's missing his cover.
Oh, yeah.
So I had to make him his own cover. So birds are flying everywhere.
Right.
Now this one is Merlin, Hurricane, Lady, Mavis, Now on to these trains. Splatter. Dodge.
When did you get these trains?
Oh,
Bladder and Dodge.
a few days ago.
Oh.
Bash, Dash, and Fernand. Connor, Caitlin, Boko.
Oh, that Boko guy looks cool. What is he about?
Boko is just, and not only if you look, if you look closer, it says British Railway.
British Railway.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's weird. Which is actually the only Thomas train that says that on my engines.
Okay.
No.
Wow, you got so many trains here. You can't even. Okay, we'll just look at them really closely since you can. What's that one up there with like splatter or paint all over him? Show us that one. Is that Thomas or somebody with paint dumped all over him?
Oh, that's my Thomas.
Oh, let's see his face.
You put
Oh.
paint on him.
Customize them for my Halloween trains.
Let's see his face. Zoom it in. Yeah, it's like-
Can I see?
Okay, now on this train. Douglas, Luke, Pierre Sam. Oh, just if you're wondering why did Pierre Sam, he actually got a live permanent marker on him somehow.
Oh.
Scarlet, Duck, with some reflectors on him. We added Victor, Skiff. This one is
Oh. What's that one with the propeller on the back? Oh, what's that silver train in your hands there?
wait, which train is it?
Looks like silver or chrome.
This one,
No, behind you. There's a chrome one. What was that one?
Talking Diesel. Talking Thomas. Percy. Toby. Fiery Flame. Now on the next row. We already talked about this one. I'm
Yeah.
going to tell you again in case if you forget. This is Halloween Thomas. I customized.
Okay.
Stanley, Hank, and Murdoch. I just received the error day, just like Boko. And George. Sultan, Talking Henry, Thomas, Charleston Truck. These are, in case if you don't have these are called the what? Good sort of aquarium. Cement Works. This cool caboose.
Oh, that's cool.
Silver Line caboose. This is actually Fergus. This is Jack in the Pack. Thomas, Rosie, Breakdown Train. Breakdown Train. Tour Mail. Aeneas. Tom Manhattan Wisdom. If you do not know if this character is, this is Sir Tom Manhattan inside. This is Winston. See? Winston.
What does Sir Top and Hat do?
He's the boss of the railway.
Boss of the railway. Okay.
Boss. And with. This one is a very nice one to have for your model of collection. This one is called Pirate Diesel. He's a pirate. He has his pirate hat and his cannon, which we're not going to shoot off right now.
Mm-hmm.
Just kidding, it's fake. Just pure plastic. Uh-oh, your hat fell off, Diesel. Talking Percy. And if anybody knows how to fix these engines, talking engines, and their motor stops working to talk, put in the comments how the get it to work again, start the talking.
Okay.
Hugo, this one was a nice one. It has a propeller.
Oh, that's cool. Wow.
If you don't know what this is called, it's called a Zeppelin.
A Zeppelin. That's never heard of a Zeppelin.
See, here we go.
Looks very nice.
Neville. Talking Spencer. Yellow truck. Talking Charlie. Toby. Percy. Toby. This is actually many years ago we fought. I received this when I was very young, but guess what happened?
What happened?
We fought one in the dirty diaper bin, and guess what?
What?
It appeared one day. It was in my mom and daddy's bedroom.
Oh.
And guess where it was in?
Where?
The vent!
The heat vent?
Yep.
How did he survive?
Oh, somehow he got into work again. As you could see, there's a little bit of melted black.
Not bad for being in a vent.
Yeah. And he actually works pretty good for the last few years.
Right, that's awesome.
Right, I do have to say.
Yeah.
Carrying on.
Carry on, okay.
Sorry about taking so long. Another yellow truck. No, next row. Merlin.
Ooh, tell us a little bit about Merlin. He looks, I've never seen a chrome
He's number 7.
silver.
Yeah, he's actually experimental.
Oh,
And he's number 783.
cool.
And he has 3 funnels.
Holy, 3.
1, 2, 3. See,
Wow.
Merlin.
Very nice.
If you look in the camera, can you see your face?
Yeah, I can see the real reaction of my phone because it's so shiny, like a mirror, right?
So that's Merlin. Oh, Philip. Oh, this one's a very nice one.
That's cool.
My dad actually plays hockey. And guess what happened?
What's that?
His old number used to be 68. And Philip's is number 68.
That's cool.
Philip. Philip, do you want to say hi to the camera? Hello, camera. Hello, TV people.
Okay, we're winding it down.
Thomas. Salty. Thomas. Oh, and this Salty actually, guess what happened to it?
What's that?
Put in sandbox, and that was that. And it actually still works after the last few years. Sorry about the ruckus of the noise. So back to this Thomas. Percy. This is a very nice Percy.
Battery.
Samson.
Yep.
Steven the Rocket. And if not, do you know, Steven was actually the very first model set built
That
in
one?
the whole world of a train.
Wow.
And Diesel.
Okay. Well,
And Spartacus Thomas.
okay. Do you want to say bye to all your YouTube?
Wait, there's one last thing I want to show you.
Okay.
My whole entire railway.
Oh, can we see?
This is where I store some of my engines on that white shelves.
Oh, wow.
This is my drawer.
Yeah.
Drawer on the other side, right over here. And not little do you know, this is a sort of scrap yard.
Yeah.
Which has a little scrap block. Goes to
Oh, cool.
a water tower. And my steamies. Oh, know what this one is? I'll crank it up first. This is the Sodor Airport. The little blimp goes around. Oh, this is the crossing.
That's pretty cool.
And if I show you, can you please wait a minute? Or 3 or 4 seconds? Or more. I'm going to get Neil. No, how about, actually, how about Neil?
Okay, we're almost at 15 minutes, so we're gonna restart this video, like stopping.
This, so when a train crossing, it's like this.
Okay,
The
just
train has to stop,
okay.
and then,
Oh,
and that works like that. And sometimes even the road vehicles have to stop. Look, see, George can't go over.
right.
Look, gets to go over. And at nighttime, and when it's bedtime, all my little steamies, and all my engines. Here's where they go home tonight.
Where?
Into the sheds. It's a nice, cozy place to live and sleep. Ah, and there's one last place. This is the collapsing bridge. Du, 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 du.
Whoa. Okay, can you say bye to the YouTube videos for now? Look in the camera and say bye, guys. Thanks for watching, and
Bye, guys.
hit the like button.
And hit the like button. Oh, and wait.